You're in a better mood, you digest better. You might say hi to somebody you wouldn't say hi to otherwise. You just feel better, you're in balance. And that's where we want to be. You want to come into balance. Well, an Orgone generator is an energetic device which uses metals, resin, and crystals in a matrix together. The matrix of the combination of resin, metal, and crystals works in the following manner. The energy from outside is attracted by the resin, which is organic material. It's sucked into it. It hits the metal and it's immediately repelled. So now we have an attraction-repulsion at very high frequencies, which is chaotic, unbalanced energy. But we have crystals inside which have the ability to transform this chaotic, unbalanced energy, balances it out, it smooths it out, and the energy now that comes out is a positive kind of energy that all living things want more of. Why? Because we are constantly bombarded with too much negative energy from Wi-Fi, from satellites, from telephones, from everything is pumping negative, from electricity. Everything is pumping negative energy at us. Now, we're still alive because human beings can adjust to even drastic changes. But there are weak members among us who cannot take that energy. They are going to get sick. They're going to come down. They can't even live in their house anymore. They're affected so badly by this negative energy. And I wish I could say that, well, put an Orgone generator in there and you'll be fine. It doesn't work. It doesn't work that. These are special cases. These are special people who are very sensitive to electromagnetic smog. The rest of us, we go on with our lives as if nothing bothers us, but we're still affected by it because we're an electrical energy. There's electricity. All the cells, we have 60 trillion cells that communicate with one another electrically. So can you imagine what a cell phone in your pocket will do to interfere? It's like you driving through a tunnel with your cell phone and your cell phone conks out. And it's just shh. There's no connection, there's no communication. When the cells don't get proper communication, they go into panic mode. They can't communicate with one another. And if that persists long enough, you'll come down with something, you see? The energy given off by Orgone generators, even a homemade one with rocks from the stream, doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be pretty in order for it to work. This energy is balanced. It's positive energy. Grass, pets, animals, anything that's alive wants more of this energy. Why? Because we live in a permanent state, too much energy, negative energy, not enough positive energy. Why do you think people freak out and they get angry when somebody cuts them off on the highway? They just go apoplectic. Instead of smiling and laughing while saying, he's not having a good day, you know, and leave it at that. But if you can come into balance, everything works better. You're in a better mood, you digest better, you might say hi to somebody you wouldn't say hi to otherwise. You just feel better, you're in balance. And that's where we want to be. You want to come into balance. And Orgone generators isn't the only thing. There are other things that can help you come into balance.